Hey guys, it's Baby. Welcome back to my channel. You know the usual. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I create my aloes oil for hair growth, for dry scalp, for hair moisturization. That's the word? To moisturize your hair. If you want to see this recipe, keep watching.
I'm loving your light, vulnerable, letting your guard down, it's honorable, especially when the past ain't been that.
I'm going to pick from this bad boy right here. What I usually do, I try to cut it from the base. Let me make sure you guys could see. Cut it from the base. So I'm going to use this one. Ta-da! Yes, that's rice. Aloes. After you've harvested the aloes, you're going to wash it, of course, and proceed to cut off the spiky sides on both sides because you don't really need that. That's like excess skin. We don't really need that. At first I started peeling the skin off the aloes, but then I decided that I didn't want to waste the nutrients that would be just under the skin. And of course I was cutting off more than I was supposed to and thereby wasting the aloes. So I just decided to go ahead and cut the aloes itself with the skin on it into thin strips. So it really doesn't matter what size you decide to cut it in. You can cut it in thin strips, thick strips, it doesn't matter. It's all going into one pot filled with oil. Okay? So you're going to need a non-stick pan and any oil of your choice. You can use coconut oil, olive oil, castor oil. I decided to use castor and olive because I don't have that much castor, but I wanted a good amount of oil. I also used an essential oil. I used peppermint oil. You can use any essential oil you like. You can use more than one. It's your choice. Disclaimer, I'm not a pro, but I'm also testing out recipes because I'm trying to grow my hair. Before the year ends, I would like to see some difference, some nice difference in the texture of my hair, the definition of my curls, and the length of my hair. So I'm just testing it out. Keep watching. You're gonna start off by bringing your stove to a medium heat or medium temperature and just adding the aloes, and I let the aloes sit for not too long in the heat. To start off, I'm gonna add 3 full tablespoons of the extra dark Jamaican black castor oil, followed by about 20 to 25 drops of peppermint oil. Yes, it was a lot, so I suggest that you use about 10. Unfortunately, when I used it, when I actually felt it on my scalp, it was very, very tingly. So yeah, I used way too much. So guys, if you're using this recipe, please use like 10 and not 25 or 20 like me. No sis? After adding in your first 2 sets of oils, you can use either a wooden spoon or a heat resistant silicone spoon. I don't like to use metal with oil per se. I don't know, that's just my preference. So I just give it a little mix Next up, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, and I'm going to give it a next mix again. And when I added the olive oil, I'll then reduce the heat to low because I don't want to burn all the nutrients from the oils. About 5 minutes after, this is exactly what it's going to sound like. You're frying the aloes, literally. So approximately 10 to 15 minutes from beginning to the end of doing this process, this is what your oil should look like. You'll realize that the aloes look slightly brown, discolored, dingy, opaque, all of the above. That's how you know that your oil is done. You're going to leave the oil to cool, then you can transfer it to applicator bottle, whatever bottle you may want to put it in, you can do so. I went back in to put about 4 more tablespoons of Jamaican black castor oil and 2 more tablespoons of olive oil, just because, you know, they say when you heat oils, you tend to burn out some of the nutrients that would have been in it. So I just went back in to add some more nutrients and also to stretch the oil. Thank you guys so much. Don't forget to tell a friend. Hey, what? If you've reached this far in my video, leave a pink heart in my comments down below. Please. Carry on. Yes. Don't forget you can check out my other videos in my description box down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. There's WhatsApp, there's Instagram, there's Twitter, there's Telegram, there's anything. You can share this video anywhere you'd like. I would greatly, greatly appreciate it. See you guys next time. Bye.